A shattered back glass is not just an inconvenience, it's a ticking time bomb. And if you live in Diamond Bar, California, this could be costing you way more than you think. Most drivers think their back glass isn't as important as their windshield. But here's what they don't know. Unlike your front windshield, your back glass doesn't have laminated protection, meaning one hit, one sudden stop, and it could explode into thousands of sharp pieces. This isn't just about looks, it's about your safety and your passengers' safety. And if your defroster or rear view camera is built into that glass, say goodbye to visibility and safe driving. In California, damaged back glass could get you pulled over, and driving with shattered or missing glass, that's a fine you don't want. And if you think taping it up or ignoring it is a solution, think again. Diamond Bar summers, that heat weakens your glass even more. Winter, say hello to foggy, unsafe driving. What started as a small issue just became a big repair bill. But here's the good news. This is a problem we fix fast. At MobileSafeAutoGlass.com, we come straight to your home, work, or wherever you are in Diamond Bar. We handle everything, including insurance claims, so you pay little to nothing out of pocket. No waiting rooms, no long repair times, just fast, expert back glass replacement. So don't wait. Your back glass isn't just there for looks, it's crucial for your safety. Click the link below and book your repair with MobileSafeAutoGlass.com in Diamond Bar, CA before it's too late. Drive safe, stay smart, and remember, when it comes to your back glass, waiting is not an option.